Is this a colored area? Potchshefstroom. It's a lot of colors, yeah? I mean, the name suggests it. Potchshefstroom. Sure, so look at let's get it. I have no idea. Yeah, it's pull on. Woo! Yeah, he's really stressing getting that place, boy. God damn! God damn! Alright. God damn! That's this, alright. That's alright. No way, this is a session. Does it sound good? Look good? Look good, sound good, sound?
Well, you'll be happy to know that I got the coolest kid in that kind of building. And one thing that's about to happen for sure is, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to take out. So this is the motion. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're about to take everybody to the jungle tonight. Big time party, big time party. I got the motherfucking coolest kid in that kind tonight. Can't you see? Hey, listen. Listen. I want to see all of you guys in the building tonight. Let's take a look at what's happening. Let's go shake down this for the next second tonight. If you know this shit, I need you to help me sing it. Y'all ready? Let's go, 1, 2, 3. We want to listen to it. Say that shit before I get out of here. She asked me to do it, say something else. I am talking. Yo, just got all the niggas trying to save that shit. Perfect song, we'll play that shit. Tell how you dance, we on the playlist. We listen in the dark. Lotto,
toss me a bottle? A hint.
Alright, that was it.
You can't like disappoint.
Yeah, Porsche is always turn.
Always.
Without fail. Yo, my eyes look like. Why do my eyes always look like this, though? It looks like I'm always high, though, and I don't even smoke. That's crazy.
Getting high on the fans.
Getting high on the fans does not sound good.
Maybe, son.
You gotta rephrase that.
Maybe it's the energy there on stage. What would you be?
High on life.
But
Ice
now,
bath, yes.
no, but I think also, don't
Ice
you think?
ball.
Yeah. Nah, but Teddy has to go to a show today. He's
I know, but you guys were thinking I'm gonna do an ice bath at night.
You don't get to pick when you do it, brother.
Exactly. You lost
There was never a plan. We never spoke about when, so I do get to pick.
No.
You guys never said. You guys never
that game
made
happened
that
at night. If the stream had happened at night.
Yeah, but you guys should have said me. You should have said it that day, so I would have known. Can't come say it now.
Hey, you lost. You don't make rules. You don't get to make the rules. You lost the bet.
Yeah, I lost the bet, but there was never a part where it spoke about at night.
Chief. It's ice. You're gonna be cold. It doesn't matter if it's
But I'm not doing it at night.
During the day.
During the day is when I'm gonna do it, boys.
What do you think? The sunlight is gonna save you?
No. It's just better
How?
than at night. You know?
Bro, you're gonna freeze, dude.
No, I'll take it. You know.
You know what the worst part is gonna be?
What?
Your balls.
Yeah.
Your balls are gonna freeze and shrink, bro.
But I mean, like,
Baby, now. Or like, go save some. If I was you, boy, I'd get one of those plastic bags, the bankies.
yeah.
This. And save it. And then,
Nah,
you
man.
might not be able to have kids off this. Don't lie.
It's tough.
About to freeze you. This is what you get for believing too much in Messi.
I still do. Like, I
It was
still.
lovely betting with you, Teddy.
With what?
It was lovely betting with you.
I never bet with you. I bet with Junior.
Sorry.
Sorry, bro. Like, chill out. Like, what's up with you?
Bro. Say McDonald's ain't even all that. At least me, I have like favorites from McDonald's and KFC and Wimpy and Steers. I have favorites. Burger King had nothing. You do Burger King often? You do Burger King often?
I do steers often.
Steers.
I used to do steers often.
Got some good ribs. I used to love that. The cheesy chips, whatever they're called.
Steers just feels like it's real meat.
I like the ice cream. Pause.
Oh.
You know, I like the ice cream from there. The chips also fire.
They've got the best chips.
That sauce of this, it's not just like regular barbecue. It's something's
it's like a
going on.
steer's secret.
Yeah.
It's too late now.
Yo, this chat is out of control, bro. Now they're talking about people eating ass and stuff. Like, I don't know how the conversation goes from like.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Yourself?
Good, thank you. Could I please get a crispy chicken?
It's spicy already.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Barbecue sauce on the side.
Just crispy chicken.
Yes, and a barbecue sauce on the side.
Barbecue as in a dip.
On the side.
On the side, like
On the side of,
the burger. So the burger?
yes. Hence I'm saying as in like a dip. With regards to that, we don't have dips
A dip.
currently.
I think she's saying
We
a
don't
dip.
have barbecue dips.
Oh,
at the
okay.
moment.
Okay, no problem. Texas barbecue bacon.
Texas barbecue bacon, chicken or beef?
Beef.
With extra lettuce, please.
On what?
With extra lettuce.
Wait, on the Texas.
On the
Yes.
Texas, yes, please. Like lots of lettuce and onions and tomatoes.
One moment, please.
Oh my god, bro.
If you can swap the bun for
No,
lettuce.
let's not do that.
Okay, so you said the Texas should have garnish, lettuce and tomato, right?
Yes, please.
Texas beef with lettuce and tomato. Both are meals.
Yes. Sorry, just one question for the Texas barbecue bacon.
Yes.
Do you guys have like brown bread or like healthy bread?
We use white pants.
White pants.
That-
Okay,
that-
no,
that-
that's fine. That's okay.
That's fine. Thank you.
Can you kind of repeat the order?
Why is it out of focus? There it is.
Slow. It's like 4 cars. Why was slow on you?
That's another thing. They're super slow for no reason. It's not like they got any kind of motion. Like they got
Bro.
no motion,
Zero.
but they're just slow. Yesterday, one of them asked to take a picture after that long ass delay, and I said no. But I said it like so snappy, like it was so quick that it kind of made me feel like, yo, when I get my burger, I need to inspect the shit out of it before I eat it. And I really did, dog. I every layer I looked at it.
Before they hit you with that.
Yeah, the special. I was like, yo, I'm trying to get like, does it smell like armpit a little bit, or like what is happening? Is it fine?
They 100% do that.
I know they do. There's not a lot of people in there. They could get away with it, though. They could definitely get away with it. It's just them in there, though.
Some people do deserve it though.
Yeah, but I mean, not me.
I mean, to be fair, yeah.
Yeah, they the ones that, you know,
They
gave
took
me
long.
shitty customer service. Yeah,
Not fair.
maybe if I was like all bratty and stuff, it's like I came back here and I was like, "What's up with this burger? It's so shit!" And I threw it at them and I said, "Give me another one." Then I kind of deserve
They
it.
hit you with the special.
I'm imagining the kind of shit they would do to your patty before they put it in there. Fucking cool their business with it, bro.
Armpit.
I think armpit is like the you know, the least vicious one.
What's the worst butt crack?
Hell yeah, bro. What?
I agree. I 100%.
Hell yeah. Or the front.
Burgers tasting like straight dudes.
Bruh.
That's crazy.
What's good, brother? Praying
How you know
gesture
that tastes
emoji.
No. Hey, let's move right past that.